Week 3 wrap up, April 19, 2019. Good morning, everyone. As we wrap up the third week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 1/3 of the class, or the equivalent of 1.5 months worth of work in a regular semester. Yes, things move fast in this 8-week session, so please make sure and stay engaged in the course so you can keep up and do well. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. A few reminders are in order. The Cultural Geography News Discussion number 2 is due tonight, Friday, April 19th by 11:59 p.m. The Cultural Geography Special Topic number 2 on whether English should be the official language of the U.S. is due tomorrow, Saturday, April 20 by 11:59 p.m. These discussions have been available since Wednesday and Thursday respectively. You have to remember that these are two different assignments, each worth 50 points if submitted by the deadline. You can always submit these assignments, but the further away you are from the due dates, the more points will get deducted. I've graded the first discussions already. Pay attention to the rubric I use to grade these assignments so you make sure and get the maximum number of points available. Please remember to review the lectures posted in the modules. Read the lecture slides, listen, and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each key issue. There are 4 per chapter. Read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying study guides. Study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words the professor will speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. There are about 6 of you who still have not completed Map Quiz number 1 that was due last Friday, April 12th. 6 of you still have not submitted exam number 1 that was due on Sunday, April 14th. That needs to get done as soon as possible or risk losing all of those points. Finally, but importantly, 7 of you still have not submitted reflections that were due last Saturday, April 13th. You need to get those reflections done as soon as possible. I'm currently grading them. It should be done by next weekend. Should be done by the weekend. Please remember to log into the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an inline course. Most of you are doing well with this, but there's a group of about 3 students who go on 5 to 6 days without logging in. Some have not logged in since the first week and are in danger of being dropped from the course. Some of you that are missing assignments or are inactive in the course are getting friendly notices from me. Let's take care of the issues discussed in those emails so you can get out of the trouble area. Have a great Earth Day weekend, and we'll see you online.